Tesla's new battery add-on aims to increase capacity, decrease install time. Tesla has launched a new product as part of its home energy storage portfolio, effectively allowing Powerwall 3 owners to upgrade their system's capacity in less time. On Tuesday, Tesla launched Powerwall 3 expansion units in the US, announcing the scalable solution, alongside a short video demonstration on X. In the video, Tesla shows the difference between the installation times of multiple Powerwall 3 units, wall-mounted, and stacked expansion units, highlighting that the latter offers increased capacity with less hardware and a shorter install time. Tesla says buyers can add up to 3 expansion units per single Powerwall to boost capacity, and it also highlights that the hardware can extend outage protection and further increase savings on owners' electricity bills without requiring additional Powerwall 3 units. You can check out the short video below, highlighting that the installation of a stacked expansion unit with the Powerwall 3 took just 22 minutes, compared to 28 and 45 minutes of the respective wall-mounted expansion and non-expansion multi-Powerwall install. Powerwall 3 expansion units, now available in the US. Add up to 3 expansion units on a single Powerwall to increase your system capacity, reduce installation time, extend outage protection, increase electricity bill savings. Tesla now lists the expansion option on its website under the scalable section of its Powerwall 3 specs, saying they're available anytime with a 40.5 kilowatt-hour max addition per expansion unit. Currently, the Powerwall 3 is available in the US, Canada, Germany, the UK, and Western Australia, though Tesla hasn't yet debuted the expansion units outside the US. The company first launched the Powerwall 3 in the US in February, before beginning its rollout to Canada and countries beyond North America in the following months. The Powerwall 3 expansion units should make it even easier to deploy scalable energy storage, given its benefits and lower overall installation time. The launch of the Powerwall expansion units also comes after Tesla last week announced that over 750,000 Powerwalls had been installed around the world, 100,000 of which have participated in the company's virtual power plant VPP programs. In addition, Tesla said that it deployed a record number of Powerwall installs in the US in the last week of Q3 as it continues to ramp up rollout. Tesla Energy is living up to Elon Musk's predictions. Need accessories for your Tesla? Check out the Teslarati marketplace. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at Teslarati.